Hey everyone, this is Hans again, and welcome back to my channel. If you're looking to build or rebuild your credit but keep getting rejected for a regular credit card, then a secured credit card might be the perfect solution for you. So, in today's video, we're talking about the top 5 benefits of a secured credit card and why it is the best financial tool for beginners or those working on improving their credit score. If you're interested, then stick around to know more. Let's go quickly over first what a secured credit card is. Unlike with a regular credit card, a secured credit card requires a security deposit, which usually becomes your credit limit. So, say for example, you deposited 10,000 pesos. Depending on the bank's policy, you may either get 90% of your deposit amount, so that could be like 99,000 pesos as credit limit, or it could be 100%, which is going to be 10,000 pesos as a credit limit. Now that we know how it works, let's jump into the top 5 benefits of a secured credit card. Let's go with number 1: build or rebuild your credit score. So, the biggest benefit of a secured credit card is that it helps you establish or repair your credit history. So every time you use the card and pay on time, it is reported to the credit bureaus, thus helping you improve your credit score over time. So if you're a student, a first-time credit user, or even someone trying to fix bad credit, this is an excellent way to start fresh. Now let's go with number 2: easier approval even with bad credit. Unlike regular credit cards that require a high credit score, secured credit cards are much easier to get approved for. In fact, there are banks that would approve you right away, and they will usually advertise 100% approval. Since you're providing a security deposit, banks take on less risk, which means higher chances of approval even if you have a low or no credit history at all. So if you've been rejected before when you apply for a credit card, this could be your second chance. All right, let's go with number 3: helps you develop responsible spending habits. You've probably heard it takes 30 days to form a habit. Now imagine using a secured credit card for over 6 months or even over a year. You see, secured credit cards are like training wheels for credit use. Since your credit limit is based on your security deposit, then it prevents you from overspending. This also helps you build good credit habits like paying on time, tracking expenses, and keeping your balance low, all of which are essential for long term financial success. Now let's go with number 4: can be upgraded to an unsecured credit card over time. Here's the exciting part: many banks allow you to graduate to an unsecured credit card after several months of responsible use. Some issuers would even refund your security deposit or convert it into a regular savings account once you qualify for the upgrade. So think of your secured credit card as your stepping stone for better credit products with higher limits and more perks. And finally, we're down to number 5: offers the same benefits as a regular credit card. A secured credit card works just like a regular credit card. You can use it for shopping, dining, groceries, online transactions, travel bookings, and even on subscriptions like for Netflix, Spotify, YouTube Premium, and more. On top of that, some secured credit cards even offer cashback, rewards, and even fraud protection. It is also safer than using your debit card for online transactions because you are protected from fraud and unauthorized charges. Now that you know the benefits, here are some tips to help you make the most out of your secured credit card. All right, let's go with number one, always pay on time. And I think it is something that is expected from us when we owe someone or we owe a bank or when we have an obligation. So late payments can hurt your credit score. Number two, keep your balance low. And I'm sure you've heard this all the time, but try not to go over 30% of your total credit limit. Number three, choose a secured card with low fees because some banks charge high annual fees, so you have to pick the card that's right for you. Of course, with low fees or no fees at all. That will be so much better. Number four, upgrade when possible. So once your score improves, switch to an unsecured credit card and get your deposit back. Or maybe you can go ahead and convert that into a regular savings account to continue the trust with your bank. So, guys, what do you think? Are you considering getting a secured credit card or do you already have one? Well, please let me know in the comment section below, and I'll be more than happy to read and respond to your comments. Also, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification icon so that you'll get updated with my newly uploaded videos here on YouTube. Again, this is Hans. See you guys next time.